Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to another edition of Crypto Vista Hub, your go-to source for all things crypto. In today's episode, we've got a packed lineup of news, from the fate of approved Bitcoin ETFs to a Hong Kong firm's ambitious plans for a spot Bitcoin ETF. We'll also delve into the intriguing world of Bitmain's self-mining practices and a legal showdown involving a church and an unregistered God-backed crypto token. So, stay tuned as we explore the latest developments in the crypto space. We are Crypto Vista Hub, and let's dive right in. Grayscale CEO's outlook on Bitcoin ETFs. Our first story takes us to Grayscale Investments, where CEO Michael Sonnenshein shared his insights on the future of approved Bitcoin ETFs. According to Sonnenshein, most of the 11 approved spot Bitcoin ETFs may not survive. Let's unpack the details. Sonnenshein believes that only 2 to 3 of the new ETFs will gain critical mass in terms of assets under management, while the fate of the others remains uncertain. He highlighted the importance of factors like issuer reputation, liquidity, and track record, emphasizing Grayscale's 10-year track record and diversified investor base. In addition to the ETF outlook, Sonnenshein addressed Grayscale's fees compared to competitors. While many ETF issuers started fee-less before raising them to 0.2% to 0.4%, Grayscale charges a 1.5% fee. Sonnenshein defended the higher fee, attributing it to Grayscale's successful track record and long-term commitment to the asset class. Grayscale, as the largest Bitcoin fund, has paved the way for numerous products in the crypto space. Sonnenshein concluded that investors weigh factors like the product's issuer, liquidity, and track record when making investment decisions. It remains to be seen which ETFs will emerge as leaders in this competitive landscape. Hong Kong firm's plans for spot Bitcoin ETF. Next up, we head to Hong Kong, where Venture Smart Financial Holdings, VSFG, is gearing up to apply for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Let's explore the details of this ambitious plan. According to Brian Chan, Group Head of Investment and Product at VSFG, the market has tremendous potential, and the goal is to reach $500 million in assets under management by the end of the year. Hong Kong currently allows futures-based crypto ETFs, with 3 already listed, collectively holding $50 million in assets. While the Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, in Hong Kong has not commented beyond the guidelines published in December, the approval process is expected to take weeks, possibly even months. This move reflects the growing interest in offering diverse crypto investment opportunities within traditional financial markets. Bitmain's role as a hidden self-mining giant. Our next story takes us into the world of Bitcoin mining, with revelations about Bitmain's dual role as a seller of mining equipment and a hidden self-mining giant. Let's dive into the details presented in the latest Miner Weekly report by Blocksbridge Consulting. Blocksbridge Consulting's report reveals that Bitmain not only sells mining equipment but also operates self-owned machines, creating a scenario where it competes against its own customers. The report cites research from the Miner Mag and recent filings from Bitmain-backed BitFuFu to shed light on this hidden aspect of Bitmain's operations. BitFuFu, a company backed by Bitmain, had 2 business lines in H1 2023, proprietary and cloud mining. The majority of its hash rate came from miners rented from Bitmain, making it heavily dependent on its parent company. In fact, nearly 80% of BitFuFu's revenue costs in the first half of last year went to Bitmain. With Bitmain's recent hosting deal with Core Scientific, it's estimated that Bitmain and BitFuFu combined operate at least 20 A/S. This revelation raises questions about the dynamics between mining equipment manufacturers and their customers in the ever-evolving crypto mining landscape. SEC freezes assets of church over God-backed crypto token. In our final story, we turn our attention to a legal battle involving a church and an unregistered God-backed crypto token. Colorado-based pastor Eli Regalado and his wife, Caitlin, are facing legal action after allegedly defrauding investors. Let's uncover the details. The couple is accused of raising around $3.2 million through the sale of an unregistered crypto token called Inkscoin. Marketed as a God-backed digital asset, the token was issued through their online church, Victorious Grace. The Colorado Securities Commissioner filed a lawsuit, alleging fraudulent activities and illegal sale of securities. In response to the lawsuit, a Colorado judge has frozen the assets of Victorious Grace Church. The legal filings reveal that the token's backing was questionable, relying mostly on the couple's claim that it was supported by God's guarantee of success. The complaint states that Pastor Eli leveraged the potential investors' faith, assuring them that their investments were guaranteed by God. This case brings to light the intersection of faith, finance, and regulatory scrutiny in the crypto space. And that concludes today's edition of Crypto Vista Hub. We've covered a range of topics, From the fate of Bitcoin ETFs to the intriguing practices of Bitmain and the legal challenges faced by Victorious Grace Church. As always, stay tuned for more updates on the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. We are Crypto Vista Hub, signing off. Until next time, happy hodling.